Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told a company's accounting department took a survey of its employees' salaries and found that the mean salary was $80,000 and the median salary was $45,000. Which of the following could explain the difference between the mean and median salary in the company? So we don't even have to look at our answers. When you have a difference between a mean and a median, that means that the distribution of the salaries is not a normal distribution. Right, where you'd expect some people to be paid very low, most of the people in the middle, and then a few people at the end. This means that it is skewed to one side, right? So we could expect it to either be like this or like that, right? And the exact shapes of these don't matter, but we're saying that it's going to be skewed off to one side in one way or another. So if the mean was much higher than the median, what would that look like if we just had a couple of employees? Well, if we said, okay, we have some people who are making $40,000 a year, someone who's making $45,000, $50,000, $60,000, and then we have one person making $1 million. Right, so 1,000, I've been writing this in terms of thousands, so that's 1,000,000. What is the median of this? Well, these are lined up in increasing order, and we go in until we find a middle value. We say, okay, we've reached 45 and 50, so we take 45 plus 50 divided by 2, and we get 47.5. So the median is 47,500. What if we take the mean of this? So we take 40,000 plus 40,000 plus 40,000 plus 45 plus 50 plus 60 plus that 1 million value. We divide it by the number of values, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we do that, we're getting our average is 182,000, roughly. And I'm now saying that I did the median wrong, but it's the same thing. If it's 45 or 50, then the point is the same. The reason that the mean is so much higher than the median is the 1,000 doesn't really affect the median, right? It just adds one more person at the top. If this guy was 1,000 or if it was 65,000, it doesn't matter. The median would still be the same. But the 1,000 here in this fraction changes the value a lot. So we would expect if the mean is a lot higher than the median, there are a few employees with salaries that are much higher than the rest, and D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.